Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this fresh trade we got. This is a 2020 Yamaha AR210. Guys, we sold this boat brand new. We've got all service records for it. It's a great boat. Nice gray hull. Comes with this trailer, this tandem axle trailer that it's sitting on. Let's take a look at the transom. So guys, Yamaha is known for this open swim platform, open transom here on the back of the boat. Great spot for entertaining, hanging out, nice lounge seats, cup holders on the back for your beverages, and nice mount for your table as well. Nice ladder here to climb aboard. Let's take a look at the inside. All right guys, welcome aboard the AR210. As you'll see, the bow up here, ton of room, plenty of room for a full-size 6-foot adult to stretch out. You'll see it's got a nice step here going up to the anchor locker, perfect for jumping off, swimming, diving. Also has an additional boarding ladder that folds out of your anchor locker as well. Nice walk-through window with an air dam door so that you can close this off and your windshield be protected on those cooler days. As you're coming back to the cockpit, you'll see that you've got the in-the-floor storage. Cockpit is nicely laid out, guys. You've got this L-shaped chase lounge with the side captain's chair here. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see you've got your Infinity stereo with 4 speakers on board, all your controls, your Yamaha Connect screen, and 2 mechanical gauges. Of course, don't forget about the water sports tower, bimini top. Guys, we just got this boat, hasn't even been washed yet, but this boat will come fully detailed and with a fresh service on the engine. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.